Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix if your Facebook page isn't available on your account. So if you are facing the issue like while using the Facebook and the page is not loading up and you wanna fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing is that you have to simply clearly check out your internet connection. Sometimes using a mobile network is better than using a weak Wi-Fi network. So first of all, clear out your network issues. Once you are done, head towards the Facebook app and simply tap and hold it. A pop-up will appear. From the pop-up, head towards app info. Once you are here, what you have to do is to simply head towards storage and cache and clear out the storage and cache for Facebook. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.